All right, and for you guys who ask, what do you do to relax on a Sunday evening? Here it is. Today, we're gonna trim lower pedals, and I'm using my Milwaukee M18 fuel. This is high demand 9.0 battery, fully charged. All right, guys. You saw me moving my leg up and down. It's because I'm in flip-flops, and there's a lot of sand gnats. For those who live in the South, you know what I'm talking about. But that's it right there. These are lower pedlums, and they are extremely fast growers. They will double their size, guys. I will promise you, in the summertime, about a month or two, these will be double their height. So they have to be trimmed on average of once a month if you want to keep them this way. Real quick, guys, I forgot to show you. I'm down to 3 bars. So out of 4 and down to 3. All right, I spoke.